Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now let's start for working Start Pro. How to work and basic working. Basically today now we will discuss. So just start new project. Go to new project and you can see here a space selection and go to next. Now just click in this foot and kilo pound and go to next. And what you want, what you think, add beam, add plate. So add beam we will selection and go to page. Just you click this here. Now look at this page and this is the graphic approach. And graphic approach, it means graphical way you can draw the line and structure member. Basically we will check out member load bearing capacity. So generally two types of approach here. First you need this graphical approach. You can draw the graphical working. This is the working area, so you can make this graphical area. And second thing is editing area. Editing through you can draw the line and members. So now both of introduce and how to work and Start Pro we will see here right now. Continue. So this is the graphical here and just right now selection. This area is grid generation. Just click the line and how many node and columns selection and element selection. It is here provide the table. So right now we will just draw the line. First I will need this here start point, and second this second node, and fourth node, fifth node and sixth node. So it's mean how many nodes you can cover and go to the line and stop this point and next go to anywhere. So just this 3 nodes again can click this here and again 2 nodes, and now just click this point and selection is same thing. Now come to down direction and here completed. So it means complete the graph. You can look here graph, it means make this and just structure study how many number of nodes, 9 nodes, number of 9 nodes, and x direction is how many feet you can cover. It is means so this chart right now structure member, and same thing is which type of node you can selection, node A, node B. So like this property here. So it means showing this chart template is an structure member. So this is the working of graph working process. This like our second member, third member, fourth member, sixth member. So just before we will deciding for this member and how many distance covered, it's showing here. So just right now go to here the two types I will just saying about this. This is the graphical method, and now this line we will delete directly. So here the direct line deleting. And second thing is right go to editing approach. Editing approach generally change a both of editing approach and graphical approach, both are interconnect. If you change the one graphical approach, it means graphical area working, you can change the line, delete. So directly go to editing approach, editing area. So now this is here editing area, start editing. So look at this save, go to save and just click this chart here. This like a editing area, same working, but editing area is presenting for number wise. Look at this here, joint coordinates. So 1 1 0 0 2 1 5 0. So like this, how much coordinate and how much node elements, it means both are connected, showing here. And member incident is here 1 1 2 2 2 3. So like this here. If you change this start editing, so like we will just two members deleting right now, two member deleting, so it means selection, right, and go to delete. And now after go to I have saved this file, and now look at this here. See this graphical area. So directly graphical area has been changed right now. So this is what do you think that it means? Start editing and graphical area, graphical editing, both are interconnected. If you change one area, so definitely change to second area. Same thing is if you delete here and go to select and delete, and look at this, so the editing area, so it means here the decrease from this again, this line. So both have interconnected. If you change one area, so definitely change to another area. So it means two way of working graphical and start editing working. So it's a very easy work from this start pro working, and very simple working. And show the chart, and here the show chart, how many nodes, how many elements, and what selection of food and load selection, everything is easily calculated. So it means right now selection this grid here, and again you want to draw the line, so easily you make this line. And you can join to inclined portion and inclined way of joining, so easy way of inclined joining. So right, and again go to graphical, so like this graphical here, and this is like member. So it means the one member, look at this here, properties of 4 number of member. If you want to what is the structure member, steel, what type of materials, and loading, and only for the this detail is only a one member, like this fourth member. Same thing is double click on the line and show the table here. So look at this number node 2 and 3, and x coordinate 1 4, y coordinate 5 5, z coordinate is 0 0. So like it's a very easy to maintain this line, and easy understandable. So today only for how to start from join the line, and two types of step. First is a graphical step, second is a editing step. Both are interconnected and easily to change one area, so definitely change to another area. So it means today we will only for take this how to draw the graphical working for Start Pro. So now has been completed, and we will see the next video, and thank you for watching.